Ora Whanau. Welcome back to Auckland Fishing. My name is Taki if you're new to the channel. I'm here at the Rangitoto Island, which is located not far away from Auckland. It's just probably 20 minutes from the Auckland CBD by using the ferry. To get here you have to pay around 53 bucks, I believe. Just go to the Fuller website and purchase the ticket online, or you can go to the the downtown ferry terminal and then purchase the ticket offline. What I love about this island is that not only going to do fishing, I actually enjoy the scenery, the beautiful nature, and then to do some hiking and jogging, walking. I think it's a good combination of doing the physical activities and also doing the fishing that we all enjoy. Remember that this is a protected island and we have to be mindful about it and learn some rules about it. For example, we are not allowed to leave any rubbish in this island, and we have to pick them up and then throw them when we're going back to the Auckland CBD. That's one thing. Another thing is that we need to be prepared with our food and water. Just bring enough water because there's no water fountain in this island, and also bring your food, your snacks, whatever that you need. In this fishing mission, I'm using surfcaster setup, and then the rig that I'm using is flasher rig or snatcher rig. I'm using mallet as a bait. Just bring one mallet with me and that's all. Quite simple because I have to walk like around 1 hour or so. So I need to pack light, and that's why I decided to only like bring one mallet. I don't even bring any burley with me, so let's see what we can catch. Well, that was unexpected actually, because this is Bait Runner 8000D reel from Shimano, and I think it's just weird that at this price point the handle of this reel is broken. And after this, actually I learned that not only me have this issue, because some people also raise the same issue that I have. Well, this is my first cast and I already broke my reel handle. What do you think I'm gonna do for the rest of the video, guys? Let me know in the comment. Also, if you have a solution for my problem or have any like same issue that I have, please share your experience in the comment. Well, this fish might look a bit small than it should because of the wide camera effect. So here I'm using my palm as a guide to measure the fish. So I know that my palm is around 25 centimeters, so that's why if I have 1.5 palm of the size of my palm, I know that it should be legal. So here we go, we have 36. So I'll leave you guys with some footage of me catching some good fish actually while having this reel handle broken. Although the bites is really good, whenever I cast my bait, I always catch something, which is really good. But the thing is, I broke my reel handle, so a bit just struggle when reeling in.